Dear learners, welcome to MSBT online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in the most attractive digital format for the course name Digital Techniques. The course code for the same is 22320. I am Mrs. Rita Vora, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department from Thakur Polytechnic, Mumbai. So today we are going to learn about another interesting module of number system and codes, which is ones complement method of subtraction. So what shall we learn today? The contents are ones complement system, ones complement of a binary number, how to convert a binary number to ones complement, the steps involved in order to perform subtraction of binary numbers using ones complement, and the examples of subtraction using ones complement. So let us see the concept map. Complement of a number gives you ones complement. How we obtain ones complement? If the original value is 1, after taking ones complement it gets converted to 0, and if the original value is 0, after ones complement it gets converted into 1. The learning objective are to apply ones complement method for subtraction. Ones complement system. How can you define a ones complement system? A ones complement system is a system in which negative numbers are represented by the inverse of the binary representation of their corresponding positive numbers. And in such a system, a number is negated. Negated means converting from positive to negative and vice versa by computing its ones complement. An n-bit ones complement number system can only represent integers in the range of -2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So let us take an example. If we have a 4-bit ones complement numeral system, then it will represent the integers in the range of -7 to +7. So what is ones complement of a binary number? The ones complement of a binary number is important. Why is it important? Because they can be used for representation of negative numbers, which is a very important thing in order to carry out subtraction of binary numbers. The ones complement of a number can be easily obtained by changing all ones to zeros and zeros to ones. So you can see in the diagram over here that the given number is 10101. And ones complement is exactly opposite of it. Where you have a 1, it is replaced by a 0, and where you have a 0, it is replaced by a 1. So you get the ones complement by inverting the binary number. The ones complement of a number can be found out by inverting all the bits in that number. This you can see with the help of the diagram. Supposing you have a 4-bit number, then each bit can be given to an inverter, and what output you will get will be the ones complement of that number. So ones complement system, it can be implemented with the help of inverters. How can we convert a binary number to ones complement? Let us take an example. Here, see in the example A, 101010. When we are converting it into a ones complement, what we are doing is inverting. We are replacing the 0 by 1 and the 1 by 0. Similarly, in example B, 110101. Ones complement becomes 001010. Steps that need to be performed to carry out the subtraction of binary numbers using ones complement. Very easy and simple steps. We have 4 steps which we have to follow. Binary number subtraction using ones complement can be performed with the help of these: step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Now if you have to do the subtraction of A minus B, A is called as the minuend and B is the subtrahend. Remember, A is called as the minuend and B is the subtrahend. Let us talk about the step 1. Step 1 will be to find ones complement of the subtrahend. Step 2 is to add ones complement of B to A. Step 3 will be, if you get a carry in the result, then you add the carry to the addition which is obtained in step 2. the carry is called as the end around carry. And if carry is equal to 1, then the result of the subtraction is positive and its true form. So whenever you will get a carry 1 in your addition, that means the answer is positive. And that will be the final answer. In step 4, if you do not get the carry after the addition, it means that the result is a negative number. And that has to be converted into 1's complement form to get the final answer. Examples of subtraction using 1's complement. Let us take example where a smaller number is to be subtracted from a larger number. So let's take the example of 9 minus 4, where both 9 and 4 are decimal numbers. So in the solution, the first step is to convert the decimal number into the binary number. So 9 represented in binary form is 1001, 4 represented in binary form is 0100. The step 1 will be to take 1's complement of 0100 and it comes to 1011. In the second step, the minute and 1's complement of subtrahend is to be added. When you do the addition, you are getting 0100 and the carry of 1. In step 3, you have to add the end over carry or the final carry. And what you get is 0101. Since a carry end over carry was 1, the answer is positive and in the true form. So the answer, final answer will be 0101, which is a positive answer. Coming to another example. Let us take the example of 1011.001 minus 110.10. In this case, we have to make sure that before the binary point and after the binary point, in the minute and the subtrahend, the number of bits are the same. So in this case, for the subtrahend, you need to add zeros on the extreme left and extreme right. So step 1, you can see 1's complement of 0110.100 will be 1001.011. Step 2 will be to add the minute and 1's complement of the subtrahend, which gives you a carryover of 1 and the answer is 0100.100. But since we have got an end around carry, in step 3 we will add the carry to the answer. So what we get is 0100.101. Since a carry end over carry of 1 was obtained, the answer is positive and in the true form. So your final answer is 0100.101. After this, it's time for quiz. So attempt the MCQ set 1. Best of luck, students. Let us take examples of subtraction where the larger number is to be subtracted from a smaller number. Now let us take the example of 101011 minus 111001. Here your subtrahend is 111001 and the minute is 101011. So as in step 1, you have to take 1's complement of the subtrahend, which comes to 000110. In step 2, you add the minute and the 1's complement. Here the answer comes to 110001, but there is no carry generated. The carry is 0. Because the carry is 0, you can see in step 3 that the final carry is 0, so the answer will be negative and in 1's complement form. So for the final answer, you have to take 1's complement of 110001, which comes to 001110 with a negative sign. So the final answer is a negative value of 001110. Let us take one more example of a larger number being subtracted from a smaller number. 10110.01 minus 11010.10. Now here, as you can see that the number of bits before the binary point and after the binary point for both the minute and the subtrahend are the same. So we start with step 1 where we take 1's complement of the subtrahend. It comes to 00101.01. As step 2, we have to add the minute and 1's complement of the subtrahend. The addition gives us 11011.10, but the carry is now 0. So as in step 3, when the final carry is 0, your answer is negative and it is in 1's complement form. So you take 1's complement of the answer, which comes to 00100.01 with a negative sign. So the final answer is minus of 00100.01. What did we learn today? 1's complement method can be used for subtraction of two numbers in corresponding number systems and is simpler than binary subtraction. So, if you have the two numbers in decimal number system, you can convert them into binary number system and you can do subtraction using 1's complement method. 4 steps that we follow for subtraction using 1's complement method are: step 1 is to find 1's complement of the subtrahend. Step 2 is to add the minute and 1's complement of the subtrahend. Step 3 is after the addition, if you get a carry is equal to 1, you add the end around carry to the answer and your final answer is positive and in true form. Step 4 is if you do not get a carry, which means if carry is equal to 0, then the answer that you get is negative and it is to be converted into 1's complement form. Quiz time. You should now attempt MCQ set 2. Thank you.